Dave, hey, this is Sergio. So before I get into what I'll be explaining throughout this video, the whole main goal of this video is just to show you how you can leverage your website to work for you. Now I'm doing this video just for some informational purposes and so you can expand your knowledge and we can both have a good understanding of what SEO is and what it can do for you. So after watching the remainder of what I'm about to show you, I'd appreciate some feedback if you find the topics I cover important to you. Now just to jump right in off with a few things that do catch my eye is your click to call phone number. Now Google loves this. It means your site isn't mobile optimized to get phone calls or take phone calls through it. And that's like a good thumbs up from Google. Now for your landing page or home page, you want at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on Google, and here's why. So Google has crawlers that send information back from your website to the headquarters wherever they do all of their data installation, right? And that's how you get put above people ranking for certain keywords that you may be ranking for. And these keywords help you help clients find you by searching in, say, Kansas City landscaping, right? So I'm going to show you a little cool little trick. Save image as, right? So you have lighting for and it's edited. So I'm guessing you edited the photo, which is cool. But so Kansas City landscaping, right? This is a keyword that has a specific city and a service niche that you offer. And you want to save your photos as those keywords and insert them into your website then. What this is going to do is add more keywords to your website, making it easier for the crawlers to find what your site offers, and then making it easier for Google to put you in front of people looking for your service. Now this is exactly what Heinen Landscape is doing with their website. But before I get into what their analytics are behind the page, let's go into yours. So you have about 20 organic keywords that your site's ranking for, which is platinum outdoor concepts and outdoor lighting Kansas City. Now this is a good keyword to use because it's a service you offer and a specific city. Now you can build out different types of location pages for different types of cities offering that same service, and that's how you would rank those service pages. But that's a little more into it than I want to get to right now. So let's go over to Heinen Landscape's background information on their website and what they're doing. So you can see right away their number one hidden keyword that's bringing the most traffic is landscaping Kansas City. And that's bringing in 400 traffic per month, or people are searching this keyword 400 times per month, and it's only a 14 out of 0 to 100 to scale. Now it's going to cost about $350 to make it for the lowest bid of an ad cost. And then 54 traffic out of the 400 because they're in the second position. So what this means is people are searching for this keyword and they're finding Heinen Landscape before you, which means you're losing out on potential clients. So if I take you to organic search, or I searched landscape in Kansas City, and you see the ads that people are buying to get on the front page of Google, then you have the Google Map Pack. So just real quick, the Google Map Pack is placed on your naps and how many times your business is listed in different citations such as Facebook, Yahoo, Yellow Book, and City Star, places like that. And your NAP is your name, address, and your phone number listed into those directories that I listed. And there's so many more. But the other best way you can do, of course, is get those 5-star ratings. That's definitely going to boost your relevancy to Google, showing that you do good work. But getting into the organic listings, which is all this down here, this is where you want to be. So you have Kansas City Blogger up top, and you have Expertise, Yelp, and you have Heinen. Now he's in the first position for landscape in Kansas City. That's actually a business here in Kansas City and other locations. But to get on the first page of Google, you need to beat them out by adding more link juice to the anchor text of keywords that you'll be implementing into your website. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for another example, you have Expertise of 21 best Kansas City landscaping services. This is linking back to you. Be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now all these links have to have a good DR to get those links to count, or not to count, but to make it worth the while. Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do something on. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, I will keep in touch with you. And if you want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and I'd love to get a meeting with you, Dave. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you.